Are you looking for a way to make money online? If so, you may be interested in affiliate cash machines. With this system, you can earn commissions by promoting products and services on your blog or website. There are many advantages to using affiliate cash machines. It is a relatively easy way to make money. You don't need your own products or services to sell. All you need to do is promote other people's products and services on your site. Affiliate cash machines can be very profitable. You can earn up to 75% commission on sales that you generate. That means if you sell a $100 product, you could earn up to $75 commission. You can work from anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection and a computer. There are no startup costs or monthly fees associated with affiliate cash machines. You simply promote products and services and earn commissions on sales that you generate. If you're looking for an easy way to make money online, consider affiliate cash machines.